When I look at starting my business, so I've always started businesses with mentors and coaches. I'm like, I'm just going to hack the success. Everyone else has made mistakes. Let me just find the direct line. So when I started my mortgage broking business 18 years ago, when we started that, my mortgage coach at the time, and he was a top broker, said, you can count the apples on the tree, but you can't count the seeds in the apple. And like, for every person that you talk to, turn up with heart with the best intention of how you can serve them and how you can help them. And the best information is don't get a mortgage, don't refinance, don't buy, and give them that. They'll go away and tell 10 people to go and use you. So always turn up with the intention of, it's not a one and done, I need to make money, I need to do $5,000 this month. It's around turning up with the intention to serve. That's pretty important. And for me personally, success leaves clues. I'm just always looking for the clues.